Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming for you the December Ipsy. This is what it looks like. It's very frosty and cute. It's very metallic and it's got this cute little glitter that reminds me of like icicles, kind of like frozen and everything. I think it's super cute. I got my Ipsy this bag around the 15th, and in my personal opinion I think that's a little bit late. I would rather that it came closer to the beginning of the month, but my first bag came on the 6th, I believe, when I got my October bag, and it seems like they're all coming on the 15th now, so I don't know if that's just going to be something that keeps happening, but we'll see. The first item that I saw in my bag is this Luxie brush, and I have been wanting a brush for a while now. Well, I've only had two Ipsies before, but I keep wanting one of the brushes. I know they did have a really cute sparkly purpley highlight brush, and I was really hoping for that one, but I did get this one. This is the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush, and to be honest, I'm really not sure that I can get all that much precise with this brush because it is very thick, and it is tapered, but I'm not really sure that the taping really matters because the brush is so thick and I'm not able to get that much precision that I want in definition brushes. I just would rather have my brushes be a little bit lighter instead of big and fluffy and tapered. I don't really know what I can do with this. I was thinking about using it for packing, but it's not that really good at picking up pigment either, so I'll see what happens with this one. The next item that I got in my bag I was really excited about because it is a perfume, or excuse me, it's a fragrance oil, and it came in this cute little box. It's a Define Me fragrance, and it is in the fragrance Sophia Isabel, and it came in this little box. And why I am so happy about this product is that it didn't come in a little tester tube. I do not like getting tester tube fragrances, especially in subscription boxes. I would be really upset about getting that in a subscription box because you can only use it like twice, and they're so small, and they're just like really, really cheap. And since subscription boxes aren't that cheap, I would rather get a nice item, and that's why I was really excited to see that this is actually a miniature bottle. It looks like this. It's a tiny little square bottle, and it looks like it has a lot of product in it, and I'm really excited about it. I've never had a fragrance oil before. I'm sure that it just has more extracted scents, that maybe it will last longer and be a little bit more luxurious is what I'm hoping. And it smells amazing. It smells so good. It's so refined and just, it's such, I don't know how to explain it. Let me read the notes. The notes for this scent are mandarin, blackcurrant, jasmine, and sugar. And I definitely smell the warm sugar and the currants. That is the strongest notes that comes out to me. I'm not really getting that much mandarin. Maybe a little bit. It's just so amazing though. It just smells so warm and yet sophisticated. Oh, I love it so much. I love it so much. It's so good. The next product that I got in my bag I am so happy about. It is a Lisa Frank eyeshadow. I don't know if you've seen other people get this, but I have been lusting over them because they are so fun, and it takes me back to the younger years. Just not that long ago. But this is what it looks like out of the box. It says XOXO Lisa Frank. And then you open it up and it is this beautiful metallic gold, and it is a stargazing shimmer eyeshadow. And I'm not sure what the shade name is exactly. I think it's stargazing maybe. And it is so pretty. Here, I'll swatch it for you guys. This is what it looks like. So pretty. I did find that it is just a little bit hard to blend. It blends out a little bit. It's not as pigmented as the swatch, but it is so pretty, and it's kind of like a novelty product, so like I'm excited about this. I think it's super fun. The next product that I got is a nail polish, and it is by Lottie London in the shade Riot, I believe. And it comes in this really cute little bottle. It is a striking blue color, and it's a lot of nail polish. My only issue is that I really dislike the color blue. I know it's such a popular shade, everybody loves it, it's every girl's favorite, but I really hate the color blue. So I'm probably going to give this to a friend. It is a very pretty color, but I would personally never wear it. It is very striking though. Very, very bright. The last product in my Ipsy bag is a lip product, and I was very excited to receive this. It is an Ofra liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Ipsy Unzipped. So I guess they did their own little collaboration, and at first when I got this, I didn't know how to feel because I didn't think it was my color at all. I never thought I would wear it because I tend to stay away from anything pink or mauve. I don't know why. I'm so scared of looking like I want to look like Barbie. Like I so much don't want to look like a little girl trying to dress up like Barbie, so I really stay away from anything pink. I know it's super weird, but I actually have this one on right now on my lips, and I really, really like it, and I can't even get over the formula. It is amazing. It is such a good it is so lightweight. I have to keep checking to see if it's still on, and I've literally had this on since what, 2 p.m. and now it's like 7. It looks amazing. It's such a good formula, and it feels weightless. There are no cracks. No cracks. Like, most liquid lipsticks are so drying that it shows every single crack you have in your lips, every dent. It just makes it look like the Sahara Desert. But they look luscious. They look good. I'm here for it. I would highly recommend the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipsticks. And somebody on YouTube pointed out that it has use code Ipsy for 30% off on the packaging, which I think is really funny. But definitely, this is such an amazing product, and I love it so much. I'm going to use this so much. I'm going to use this product a lot. For the most part, I really like this bag. The only thing that I really was just disappointed to find was the nail polish. So what I think I'm going to do is just take away nail polishes altogether, because honestly, I only wear like so few shades. I wear like black and deep red and then a couple of nude shades. I don't like it clashing with my clothes, even though I wear like black every day or like gray, but I don't like it. I like having the option for my nails to match everything that I'm wearing, so I don't like bright colors. And I was just really disappointed to find blue, my least favorite color, in my bag. And the Luxie brush, I wish I got the other one, because this is just, I feel like there's just not much you can do with this. Maybe concealer, but other than that, I would not use this for eyeshadow. I have my own personal brushes that I like for that, but rather than that, I thought that everything was great. The perfume smells amazing. I love getting the Lisa Frank product and the Ofra lipstick. To die for. To die for. Go get yourself one. It's so good. So that wraps up everything that I got for my December Ipsy, and it was super fun, and I hope that your holidays were good, because this is probably going up after all the holidays are over. And I will see you in my next video. Have a good day.